I'm replacing a burned out bulb in a 2017 Ford F-150. Open the hood to access the engine compartment. Start by removing the trim piece that surrounds the headlight assembly. You will find a plastic plug at the top of this trim. With the use of a screwdriver or a pry bar, remove it by taking out the interlocking plug and then the main plug. Next, locate and remove the two 7mm head screws in the wheel well location. Gently pop the trim off by pulling around its perimeter. Then pull the top of the trim away to expose the inner lower tabs at the bottom of the trim piece. Using a screwdriver, release the locking mechanism in the 4 tabs. This will finish detaching the trim piece. Here's a better look at the tabs on the bottom of the trim. Take note of the anatomy of the locking mechanisms on each tab. This will help you figure out how to take it apart. The trim support is now exposed. It has 7 screws that need to be removed. 6 of them take a 10mm socket and 1 takes an 8mm socket. There is also a plug that needs to be removed. It's located in the wheel well location. Begin by removing the interlocking plug and then the main plug. Next, remove the screws. 1 will use an 8mm socket and 6 will use a 10mm socket. 4 of the screws are located on the front and 3 screws are on the side adjacent to the fender. Now locate a square hole next to the last screw at the fender location. You will find 2 prongs within this hole. Squeeze these prongs together using needle nose pliers. This will free up the trim support. In order to completely remove this piece, pull the top away to locate and access the 2 interlocking tabs within. Then use a flathead screwdriver to unlock them from their position. The trim support can now be removed. Next, locate the 2 screws above the light assembly. Remove them using a 10mm socket. Access the 3rd and final screw between the headlight and the grille. I recommend having someone hold a light due to its deep location. You will also need an extension on your socket wrench to reach this screw. The light can now be removed by pulling it straight out. Note that it is held in place with a built-in plug, so a quick jerk may be needed to release it from this position. At this point, I recommend having someone hold the light assembly to keep it secure. Next, locate the 2 dust covers that protect the bulbs. Remove the dust cover to expose the bulb. The top bulb will be the low beam, and the bottom is the high beam. In this case, I'm just replacing the low beam. Grasp the light bulb plug and remove it by turning it counterclockwise. This will release it from its keyed spot and you will be able to remove it from the housing. Release the bulb from the plug by prying the locking mechanism using a flathead screwdriver. When installing the new bulb, make sure you wear gloves to protect it from the oils from your skin. This is the low beam bulb that I will be installing. It's a Sylvania Silver Star H11. In reverse order, snap the new bulb into the plug. Secure into place with a clockwise turn. And finally, the dust cover can then be returned to the housing. At this point, it's a good idea to test the light to make sure it works properly. Reassembly can now begin. Set the light assembly back into position and return the 3 screws. Install the trim support by connecting back onto the tabs. Then snap the top into place. Return the plastic plug in the wheel well location and finish securing it with the 7 screws. Next, return the trim piece by snapping it into place with a quick bump of the hand. Return the 2 7mm head screws in the wheel well location and finish securing the trim into place with the plastic plug set. The light is now ready to use.